In this final video, what we will do is show you how now our security group has the latest hotfix installed. We'll show you how using the ASG perf-v command, along with some performance testing software called T-Rex, we're able to pass approximately 20 gigabits per second of traffic through our Maestro solution. We will also be able to see how we can monitor the performance of the security group and the individual members themselves. Okay everybody, here is our final demonstration that we're going to do. This is going to be some performance testing. We're actually using some open source software from Cisco called T-Rex. And what we're going to do in this lab is to run two instances of T-Rex. You can see the traffic flow diagrams from the top subnet in each group to the bottom subnet in each group. So from 10.1.0.0/24 to 11.1.0.0/24 on the first instance, and there's the direction of traffic flow. But obviously in our case it goes through our virtual router, if you will, in T-Rex, out to the orchestrators, goes through the orchestrators, but gets processed by the security group obviously, and then back through the wire to the server side. And obviously the same thing happens for both of the groups here. So the 12.1 network will send to the 13.1 network. Both sets of gateways are passing through both of our orchestrators, and all of that is getting handled by our devices in our group. You can see here currently, while it's static, there's not much traffic going through our security group, but we've got our two instances of T-Rex ready to run. The first instance will send HTTP traffic for 600 seconds at 10 gig, and the same will happen with our second session. So this allows us to create about 20 gigs worth of traffic. We can also do iMix. We can also do a traffic mix as well, just by changing that word from HTTP if we need to. As the two instances of T-Rex load, what we should see is approximately 10 gig flowing through the TX. So the total TX and the total RX should pretty much match up from both of our instances, which you can see is happening there in front of your eyes. So we can see that quite quickly our security group is taking that traffic for us. Over on the left hand side we can see it takes a few seconds to update, but we can see our security group is now handling the 19.6 gig of traffic that we're sending, which has been equally distributed across the members in the group. We can see the total throughput, we can see the packet rate, the connection rates, the load average for the entire system, and we can also see that in this environment that we have two instances of our acceleration software per device, and 6 instances of our firewall and next-gen firewall software per device. So we could potentially increase the number of acceleration cores here, but again, this is just a very quick demonstration to show you how easy it was without any additional configuration for us to pass 20 gigabits of traffic through our Maestro solution. So we can see our loads here on the instance cores and on the acceleration cores, but hopefully that gives you a quick idea of what's possible with Maestro.